Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. This is TDL news number 7 for 17th of May 2019. Welcome to this video, it's the 7th one in our series, and we're looking back at Windows Insider news from the past week. So we've had a couple of builds since I last recorded. Last week, if you were watching TDL 6, you know we talked about a build 18884 which broke the Your Phone application. So on Friday, after I recorded the video, they've released a fix for that 1885. But since then, we've had another new build. You can see here I'm running on my Surface Go 18898 for Windows Insiders on the fast ring. And there is actually a change with this one. If I fire up Task Manager here, you can see it shows the type of disk on there. So I've got an SSD drive. So it would show there if you've got a spinning hard drive or eMMC drive or whatever. So if you've got multiple drives, it's a nice way of seeing which each drive is. I mean, some laptops have a SSD drive and a spinning hard drive as well. So it's just an easier way to see. It's not a massive change, but there you go. Microsoft introduced that. There wasn't a lot of other changes with the build. There was a couple of fixes, and the known issue list is pretty much the same. So that's with Windows. That's the news with Windows 10. There were some other updates for Windows. I'm still using the daily build, the Chromium build of Microsoft Edge. Still like that. That's running really well for me. The spell checkers in there, I think I mentioned that last week, and I do like getting these daily updates. If you've got a HoloLens, Microsoft actually released an update for the HoloLens 2019-05B, and there you see a screenshot that I took from my HoloLens. They haven't released any details of what's new in it, but it is a security fix and applicable to HoloLens, whether you're on Insider or on the release builds of that. Other news, Microsoft released a patch for, or a cumulative update for the 18362, which is the 19H1, the May 2019 update. So it's not available to the public yet. You can get it if you're on release preview or slow ring from the Windows Insider program, and I think the MSDN ISOs also have this included. There's a bunch of security fixes, and it takes the build number up to .113. This could be the release that goes out to the public next week, maybe, or the week after, right at the end of May anyway. To probably release maybe one more update for that. Some other news I had on thedigitallife.com. If you're into Windows Mixed Reality, which I am, I have the Lenovo headset. There's a really nice new headset coming from HP, the Reverb Pro, and they had a bit of an issue with the launch of that. So initially in the US it was supposed to ship this week. It didn't. It was recalled, and it turns out there was an issue with the production machines, the first batch anyway. So HP have recalled those, and they should start shipping in the US, or to the US, next week. When we get them in the UK, I'm not quite sure yet. The landing page is up, so it is coming to the UK. It just haven't got an official date yet or a price. Finally, on the Digital Lifestyle Show this week, this is our weekly podcast, so we go a bit more in depth on these stories. It's about an hour long. We discuss the new Insider builds with a bit more detail, some smart home stuff. Hive have got a smart home heating system which we talk about. We've got a bit of electric car news, broadband talk as well. So check out that. You can subscribe, get it to your favourite podcast app, and we're up to show 702 now. So that's it for this week's TDL news catch up. You can see the full in-depth video or the full video showing all the changes to 18898 on our YouTube channel. It's only a couple of minutes long. I do the videos just show what's new, so you can take a look. You can find me on Twitter at ISDixon. If you've got any comments, suggestions, please let me know. You can get me to the YouTube channel through thedigitalLifestyle.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.